Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wish, wish, wish. I wish upon a magic star.
Happy 12th birthday to Riley. Oh!
That was fun, Riley. Yeah. I gotta take the candle out. I can eat one.
This is what we had for supper, a 3-foot party sub. And there's some left if you'd like
That's
some.
because you got used to them. Mom, what did I get for you? What did I get for my birthday from you?
Great.
Happy birthday.
So far.
Hi, I'm Ben. Hey, shove your face in it. That's the close your eyes. Hey, shove your face in it. Ben, do that. What do you do? I go, Ben, do that.
You guys sound like a bunch of girls. It's called cake face.
Matt.
Riley is stuck.
Hey, Matt, give me a big kiss.
They have their cake and are eating it and wearing it too.
Who needs the forks? I'm gonna have some cake. Get it off of me. Hey, take your cake off of me. Take it off. Hey, Dad. 1, 2, 3. Bye. Oh, I should have done this next year because I'll be a teenager.
This is what 1-year-olds do when they get their
Just as long as you don't do it in the pan. I would like a piece of cake out of that,
Send this
please.
to Funny's home video.
A whole piece, thank you.
Send her the Funny mirror. Oh! Yeah! Did it get in my hair? Man,
Oh yes, you got a little bit right here.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
From cake. From cake. Don't eat with your mouth.
There's some
Don't
cat
eat
talk.
with your hands. Don't eat like this. Eat with your mouth. My nose, guys.
Oh, gross.
Yes, baby.
I can't breathe.
It went up my nose.
You guys are now breathing chocolate cake.